Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer shipping rules from ShipStation to EasyPost, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer shipping rules from ShipStation to EasyPost, begin by logging into your ShipStation account. Navigate to the Shipping tab in the main menu. Select Shipping Rules from the drop-down options. Identify the shipping rules you wish to transfer. Click on the rule to view its details. Take note of the conditions and actions defined in each rule. Next, log into your EasyPost account in a new tab. In EasyPost, navigate to the Settings section. Locate the Shipping Rules subsection. Click on Add Shipping Rule to create a new rule. In the rule creation form, input the name of the shipping rule. Enter the conditions as per the details noted from ShipStation. Reference the actions defined in the ShipStation rule and replicate them in EasyPost. Ensure that all necessary fields are filled accurately. Once you have entered all the information, review the rule for any errors. Click on the Save button to finalize the new shipping rule. Repeat this process for each shipping rule you want to transfer. After all rules are created, test them to confirm functionality. Monitor the performance of the new rules in EasyPost. Adjust any settings as necessary based on shipment outcomes. Now your shipping rules are successfully transferred from ShipStation to EasyPost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.